Hello friends, welcome back to the channel The GSM Solution. This video is about how you can make ringtones for iPhone using iTunes. This tutorial covers two methods, one with iTunes and other with ringtones. First, you have to open iTunes and connect the phone to your PC. Tap the phone icon on the top left corner. Here you can see the summary of the phone. Then select tick on manually manage music and videos on the option section, then apply. Select sync and replace. Remember that process delete all your songs and videos on your iPhone. If you sync iPhone with other iTunes which was not the previous sync from that PC. Go to iTunes library and select a song in which you want to make a ringtone. Here I am using this song for ringtones. Select the song, right click and then click Song Go. Select option and show that mark the checkbox Start and Stops from the song to ringtones. That is the length of the ringtones. Here I am selecting 0.05 to 0.35 it is second. You can manually choose which part you like. Here you can set any part of the song for ringtones with your desire, but make sure that the length of the ringtone is less than 30 seconds. After the length setup, click on OK. Select the file menu on the main menu bar and scroll down and select Convert. Then select ACC version. Here you can see the ACC version of the song with 30-second time length. Right click on the song and click on Show Folder or Show File Destination or in Windows Explorer or Open File Location like that, where you can find the location of the short ringtones. You copy that song and paste on desktop or whatever you like and delete that short clip of the song with library. Remember that the original song also the important part is that you have to convert the file extension from M4A to M4R by renaming it. Now you create the ringtone for your iPhone. Now time to put that ringtone on the iPhone. Select the tone option, open, then drag it over this tone section. Here you find your new ringtone created by yourself. Select on it as your default ringtones. That's how you can make your desired ringtone for iPhone using iTunes. Now we are going for the second method. This method is quite easy for create ringtones for the iPhone. This tool only runs on the Windows operating system, so cannot be used on Mac. So Mac users can't use iTunes to create the ringtones. Windows users have options they can use from iTunes and also from True Tools. Download and open True Tools. That a tool is an amazing tool for the iPhone. Like iTunes, you can manually add songs, ringtones, videos, backup data, restore firmware, etc. There are so many features on that tool, but we are going to create a ringtone for the iPhone with that amazing tool. Click on More and click on Make a ringtone. Here top right, you got two options to import song. I'm here select from PC and choose the MP3 songs for the ringtones. This tool automatically selects the 30-second part. From here, you can change the part of the song. Set start point and play the song for 30 seconds with your desired clip. Which section of the song you like most, that you trim. You can trim on it. Play the song for 30 seconds and set ending point. By moving that your arrow, you can also choose the part or set the start time and end time. Then click on Generate Ringtones. Connect the iPhone. That option automatically adds this ringtone to your iPhone. Now you can enjoy with your new ringtone created by yourself from your desired songs.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we
If you are able to create the first ringtone using these videos, hit like button. Write your valuable comments below and share your feelings. If that is helpful for you to share these videos with your friends and loved ones. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. I am Akash. Peace out till the next time.